iPhone users, here is how to use 2 SIM cards on one iPhone. Dial *#06#. If you see an eID number and 2 IMEI numbers, then it means your iPhone can use 2 SIMs, one physical SIM and an eSIM, even if your iPhone has only one SIM card slot. This is only available for the iPhone X users and above, so iPhone 6 people, thank you for coming. Head over to your nearest telecom shop to get an eSIM or to swap your existing physical SIM to an eSIM if you use MTN, Airtel or 9mobile. Last time I checked, Glo doesn't offer this service yet. After activating your eSIM with your telecom provider, you just have to go to your iPhone settings, mobile service, add eSIM, then select use QR code to scan the QR code your telecom provider gave you to install the eSIM on your phone. For the second SIM, remove your SIM tray, add your physical SIM to the SIM tray and insert back. Now you have 2 active SIMs on one mono SIM card iPhone. If you use a recent iPhone without a physical SIM slot like the iPhone 14 or 15, you can still add multiple eSIMs, but only 2 can be active at a time. This eSIM feature is also available for some Android flagships like the Samsung S20 and later, the Google Pixel 3 and later. Like, share and follow for more.